Hi, this is Tamara from mooglyblog.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how I make the magic circle, which is a great technique for working in the round when you don't want to see a visible hole in the middle of your work. How I do it is I take the cut end and I wrap it around my first finger twice, making sure that the cut end is coming towards me each time. Holding this down with my thumb, I pick up my hook and go under this first piece, which is actually the second piece I wrapped, but for this we'll call it the first one. Grab the second one and pull it just under that edge. You can see that they've crossed there and it's just barely overlapping. Next, I'll pick up some working yarn, yarn over, and pull through and keep it real close to your circle here. Yarn over one more time and that will count as my first chain one. Assuming I'm making single crochets, I'm ready to start crocheting. If I was making double crochets, I'd chain again, whatever the pattern called for. Now, to work a circle of single crochets, I go back under, but this time I'm going to go under both pieces of the yarn, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, and pull through two to make my first single crochet. Again, I go through both pieces of yarn that go around my finger, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, and pull through both. Second single crochet. And I just continue this way, making sure I'm going under both pieces of the yarn that circle my finger each time. And usually by the time I have 3 or 4 stitches made, I can pull my finger out and just go right into the center of that circle. Pull up your yarn, make your single crochets. I think I'll go with 6. Usually if you're making a circle, 6 is a pretty common number to start with for single crochets. So it gets a little wobbly, but they all line up there. So this is the magic part. Here it looks kind of like a ring, but if I take that cut end and I pull, that will cinch right up with no hole left in the middle. Now if I was working amigurumi, I would just start crocheting in that first single crochet I made. If I were trying to make something perfectly circular rather than spiral, I would slip stitch in that stitch. But either way, it's a perfect circle without a hole, and that's my technique for magic circle. Thanks for watching.